We report first from yesterday's statement from the CCSA in Bangkok.
Monday, the 26th of April, 2021 today. New confirmed case for today, 2,048 cases. There are currently 25,767 cases under treatment, active cases at the moment in Thailand. 563 are cases of critical condition, and 150 cases are on ventilators. Around 480 recorded as new recoveries. We have recorded 8 new fatalities, unfortunately. The top 5 cases in the country for today, we have Bangkok at 901 cases, Samut Prakan 110 cases, Chonburi 104, Nonthaburi 97, and Chiang Mai 84.
Those figures will be revived here on Fabulous 103 after midday to reflect today's statement. In other news, the National Security Council and the Centre for COVID Administration will consider a lockdown in Bangkok in meetings due to be held tomorrow. With figures in the capital rising, the committee, headed by the Prime Minister, are expected to make announcements the same day. In other provinces, meetings have been held since yesterday to formulate plans individually based on their potential increases of COVID cases. As the Chinese virus has become a plague in India, seeing daily deaths of 2,000 and 300,000 infections every 24 hours, most foreign airlines and airports have blocked flights from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Here, with the ban in place, passengers who transit through other countries are also being blocked. In Hong Kong, the decision to suspend flights from India followed a positive COVID testing of 50 passengers on one flight. Here it's believed that at least one case of the Indian variant had been spotted in quarantine. Only repatriation flights are allowed in or out of Thailand and under strict conditions, which will see quarantine extended to 3 weeks for Thais arriving back here. Pakistan reports 5,000 cases daily, and Bangladesh, along with Burma, the land buffers between Thailand and India, have extremely poor reporting of cases. In Thailand, patients found to have COVID are in some cases causing problems by not revealing their comings and goings. Perhaps ashamed of some of the less desirable venues they visited or scared of family scorn. Either way, it's an issue, as many did catch the virus in entertainment venues before they were closed. In Nakhon Si Thammarat, 10 nursing staff have had to go into quarantine after an infected patient failed to report his itinerary. With new laws in most provinces, including our own, ordering that we all wear masks in public places and even in a car when with other people. One of the first people to be fined was Thailand's own Prime Minister, as the law went into effect yesterday, so he was spotted at a meeting without one. He took the fine, 6,000 baht, as a fair cop, and undertook to be more aware in the future. A humorous tale perhaps, but an indication of the diligence, if that's the word, of people in public places and in social media, as the maximum fine is actually 20,000 baht. So either take out a mask or take out a loan. Meanwhile, at home and in Pattaya, the latest locations listed where COVID cases had visited were released this week and include H&M Clothing at Central Festival Mall on April the 10th to the 24th from 11 in the morning until 9 in the evening. A Family Mart in Soi Na Jomtien 15 on April the 10th to the 18th and on April the 23rd from 2 in the afternoon until 11, so you can assume that's a staff member. AKA in Central Festival on April the 11th from 1:30 until 2:30 in the afternoon. Public transport via Nakhon Chai Air that left Sukhumvit Road and travelled to Buriram on April the 13th at 8:15 in the evening. Shabushi in Central Festival on April the 14th from 4:50 in the evening until 5:50 in the evening. And the restaurant at the Intercontinental Pattaya Resort on April the 16th from 4 until 10 in the evening. As always, we've been assured that these businesses have full COVID controls in place and of course were unaware of their customers' health status. All of those businesses will have done a complete and full clean down. Anyone who did visit at the times listed is advised to watch their health and, if in doubt, register with the health authorities. Coviditiots of the Day Award. Well, if yesterday's story of Thais and non-Thais partying in Jomtien's Beach Road took the award for Monday, today's losers are for sure 25 foreigners and 3 Thais who threw a party at a daily rented house in Nong Pru. Raided after neighbours complained, Filipinos, Russians, French, English and Canadians were all taken into custody and their booze stash taken as evidence. Add to that the stupidity of at least one of the men who refused to wear a mask properly at the police station, and they were all charged under the Communicable Disease Act, along with the emergency decree which bans gatherings during COVID-19 pandemics. And with a reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing, and the Met Office promising highs today of 32 dropping down to 28, a humid day with the promise of rain. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme, like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below.